Hey, hey, hey! This time the good people of Panky approached me to unbox and review their new GC 2001 Pinpointer metal detector. So what they want me to do with this great pinpointer is to compare it with the current pinpointers in the market, at least those that I have. Okay, so before we do that, let's see what is inside the box. Wish me luck. All right, let's take a look. All right, here it is. This is the fancy pinpointer from Panky, the good people of Panky. All right, looks really nice. All right, let's see. Open this up so you can put your 9-volt battery. It's waterproof, I can see, because I see this old ring here. It's waterproof. And there's some tips for setting the different modes. So I have different modes. So vibration, buzzer, and sensitivity. You got mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and mode 4. Very nice. All right, let's see what else is inside the box. I see some like instructions. The owner's manual. There you go. Owner's manual. Very simple. It's only 2 pages. I like that. I don't like those hefty books telling you a lot of nonsense things. All right, so I think that we have something else here. All right, let's see. Oh, there you go. Battery is included. There you go. I like that. And I believe that this is like a pouch for you to carry it. There you go. All right. All right. So this is the new Panky pinpointer that I'm going to compare with those that I have that are currently in the market. All right, so the battery is inside. Let's see. Power button here. Press it. Good. There you go. It's working. Wow. Sounds really good. Press it, and then it's off. Nice. And here is the testing setup. I'm going to compare the Panky with 3 pinpointers that I used often. The Dr. Otex MT6 Pro, the XP MI6, and then the Garrett Carrot that I also use often. Then I'm gonna try with an American quarter, a nickel, a dime, a penny, and some jewelry. And here is the Panky. I'm gonna use 6-inch ruler or 15 centimeter ruler to compare each one of them. Okay. All right, let's begin the test with the Panky. We're gonna start with an American quarter. There you go. 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.25. There you go. So 2.25 inches for the quarter. Let's see the nickel. 1.5. 1.5 for the nickel. The dime. 1.75. Well, I would say that 1.75 and 2 inches for the dime. There you go. Very nice. Penny. 2 inches, 2 inches for the penny, and then jewelry, 2 inches, 2 inches. Very good. Let me try the quarter again. The quarter again is about 2.25 inches. Nice. All right. And this is using the standard mode, okay? So this is the factory setting for each one of these detectors, pinpointers, and they have new batteries, all of them. All right. Let's see how it goes for the next one. Wish me luck. All right, let's continue with the XP MI6. Same situation, quarter. Oh, wow. Half-inch only, yeah. Unbelievable. Look at this. Again, what? Half-inch. Dime. Half-inch. And this is fully charged. A fully charged MI6. Okay, so this is the factory setting for it. Basically, half-inch for the MI6. This is very surprising. Okay, let's see the next one. All right, let's see the Dr. Otex MT6 Pro quarter. Okay, so for the quarter is about 1.5 inches. That's it. Nickel. Half an 1.5 inches again for the nickel. A little bit more, 1 3/4, 1 3/4. Yeah. Dime. The dime is like 1.25 inches. Penny. There you go. Is 1 3/4. 1 3/4 for the penny. Jewelry. 1 3/4 again. All right, let's see the next one. So let's see the Garrett Carrots, one of my favorite pinpointers, quarter. Three-quarters of an inch for the quarter. Nickel. Three-quarters of an inch again. Dime. Not even half-inch for the dime. Penny. Not even half-inch. Half-inch. Wow, unbelievable. Now let's see the Panky versus the Garrett Carrot. Now let's see the Panky against the Dr. Tech MT6 Pro. Quarter. Right, the Panky against the XP M6. Let's hear the Panky first. As you could see, this Pinpointer compared very well at the factory setting levels with the other Pinpointers. Of course, there are many Pinpointers out there and their complexities like the XP-MI6, they have different power levels, but this one compares very well at that particular factory settings. A very good option when deciding what Pinpointer to purchase for your metal detecting needs. Now, this Pinpointer is not still in the market. It's going to be soon, okay, on Amazon. So stay tuned for the launching of this Pinpointer, okay? In the meantime, wish me luck.